So, you want to start a business? Well, buckle up because it's a wild ride. But don't worry, we'll get through this together. Step 1, find your brilliant idea. Now, it doesn't have to be the next iPhone or cure for procrastination. Although, we'd all appreciate that second one. Inspiration can strike at any moment. It could be in the shower, during your morning coffee, or when you're trying to fall asleep at 3 a.m. Embrace it. Step 2, validate your idea. Share it with friends, family, or even your pet. If Mr. Cooper looks impressed, you're on the right track. Okay, maybe not Mr. Cooper, try actual humans next. Step 3, research the market. Think of yourself as Sherlock Holmes, but instead of solving crimes, you're uncovering market gaps. Step 4, plan your finances. Time to crunch those numbers. And remember, a penny saved is a penny earned, unless you spend it on snacks. Snacks don't count. Step 5, write a business plan. This is your blueprint. And no, you can't just scribble, make money, and call it a day. Be detailed. Step 6, legal stuff. Register your business. Get the licenses. All that fun paperwork. Pro tip, dance breaks are essential. Step 7, market your business. Get the word out. Social media, flyers, carrier pigeons. Okay, maybe not pigeons, but you get the idea, and there you have it. Now go forth and conquer the business world. And don't forget to laugh along the way. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and remember, every big business started with a single step. Yours starts now. This video is created by RDS Digital.